So this is Hua Lamphong train station, the main train station in Bangkok. Very beautiful, especially at night. It is now probably about 20 past 10 at night. Our train to Chumphon leaves at 10:50.
22:50.
I haven't eaten supper yet. I got some yummy wraps, chicken wraps, as a snack. Sean, what do you have as a snack?
I have cookies.
Oh yeah, you got cookies.
Peanuts.
Sean likes his nuts. Salty nuts. Hey Shawnee?
Cookies are the best though.
Finding our train. What can I do for you? I'm not sure where to go.
Where do you want to go?
Chumphon.
Chumphon.
Sorry. Chumphon.
Platform number 5.
Platform 5?
Yeah.
Okay, great.
Latha.
Okay, great. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Sorry. Sorry.
We've just arrived at Chumphon. That's the train station over there, and you can see the sun is slowly starting to come up. Sky starting to look nice and blue. We should be arriving on Koh Phangan at about midday. Sean, how are you feeling, my brother?
100%. Ready to rumble.
Leaving Chumphon railway station. Our bus is not here, so we have to take a taxi. Pretty rad bike taxi. Sean is behind me on that bike there.
Okay.
We've parked at the island of Koh Tao. Beautiful little island this. I was here around 6 months ago. Yo!
Oh, you vlogging?
Yeah, what's up?
Sorry,
You can talk to me though, what's up?
Is there water skiing? Where are we going? Is there a way to water ski?
No, absolutely not.
No water skiing.
No. Ruins the snorkeling.
That made me sad.
You like water skiing?
Love it.
No. No water skiing. There are thousands of youngsters getting on here because it's the full moon party this weekend. So I think Koh Phangan is going to be very busy. So from Koh Tao we will be traveling to Koh Phangan, which is the next island in the chain of 3 very popular islands. It should be another hour, 45 minutes to an hour. Feeling tired, haven't slept much. The sun feels good, really good. We have arrived in Koh Phangan at the pier. Forget the name of the pier. It's been a smooth ride. The weather is beautiful, the water looks good, and I've got a new friend. Waiting for Sean. Sean! You must get your bag, my brother.
Should I go find it?
Yeah, you should.
You reckon? Yeah, we could have been here a while if I went today.
Well done. Let's go. Let's check the fish that this kid just caught. That's awesome. Wow. Hello. Hello. Can I see? Wow. Hey.
Still alive.
Yeah, just caught now. Thank you. Sean's just woken up. He's listening to Joe Rogan podcast. Joe Rogan's talking about ayahuasca, DMT, stimulants, alcohol, MDMA, and mushrooms. Have you found it interesting, Sean James?
It is interesting.
This is what our room looks like. We got 2 double beds, which is very cool. Very nice waterfall once again in this tile mosaic. Very nice waterfall.
Can we turn the fridge on?
Yeah, it's up to you. Unless I don't think the plug space is being used. So